People rely on their appliances in the home, so when a product doesn't work properly, it can be frustrating and costly. Product Care Repair or Replace is the service solution tool that makes fixing or swapping an appliance quick and easy. You're already utilising the helpful Fixflo offering. Now we can make it even more convenient with the integration of the new Repair or Replace service for all kitchen appliance faults or failures. Quick, easy and free to sign up. Your white goods headache could be gone at the click of a button.
As a property management company, you want a streamlined process that makes the communication between tenant, landlord and engineer simple and foolproof. So, when a tenant's home appliance breaks and they contact the property manager, with the landlord's approval, the problem is then in the safe hands of the Product Care team. Having already spoken to the landlord, agreeing a suitable replacement if the product is broken, a friendly and professional engineer will then contact the tenant to discuss the fault, before we arrive at the property to assess and solve the problem. The engineer can even collect the key from the property manager with the tenant's approval to avoid disturbing their day, as well as carrying out the installation of the new appliance and the recycling of the previous product within the same visit.
The aim is for Product Care to resolve the issue on the phone or on site by repairing or replacing the appliance if there is a fault.
With a huge choice of products with low, medium and premium price brackets, as well as discounted and graded appliances, this service is second to none, and its convenience and flexibility cannot be matched, ensuring the tenant is never without.
With the click of a button, you can control everything from start to finish, all in one place. A first-class service for your tenants and landlords, making this the best appliance repair or replace solution for the property management market.